Let's go. Oops, getting a little bit of wheel spin in there. Yes. Oh. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 1997 Volvo 850 on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Ideal Cars of York, Pennsylvania for providing me this car for a test drive. All the information will be down below in the description, but let's get started. This is a true classic back from the 90s. I absolutely adore these older model Volvos. I think they have an amazing, unique style. And with cars like this, there's really not much to even tell. They speak for themselves. You can just see and tell by the quality, the materials, and how these cars were built. And you can tell that these were the times when Volvos were one of the best, most luxurious cars in the entire market. Just feel this cabin. It is so nice. Let's take a look under the hood. We got the 5-cylinder here. Everything is super duper clean. Looks amazing. Let's check out the back seat too. See how it is down there. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Look at these cushy, beautiful seats. So jumping here in the back, we are greeted to very comfortable, very hugging seats, but they are to the tighter side. I'm 6'2", and I definitely don't have that much space in here, but it's still a very cool vibe. I love the materials. Throughout today's test drive, I will focus more on just the driving and getting the shots of the car rather than talking about it as much, because like I said, there's probably not that much to talk about. It's a beautiful classic. Of course, it's not like a new car, but that's not the point. The point is to look at how it drives. Oh yeah. The premium sound system, auto climate. Like this, we lock the doors. And yes, like that. We got the mirror heaters, fog lights, regular lights. And we can also adjust the glow of the panel. We got the temperature gauge. Everything seems to work fine. We got the wipers. Transmission shifts smoothly. Let's do a horn test. and let's get going on this drive. It is a very cold, rainy day, but I still came out here to Pennsylvania to shoot this video today so you folks can get to enjoy it. Right off the bat, you can just tell how smooth this Volvo is. It's butter smooth. The suspension is floaty, comfortable, and the seats. Volvo has always made one of the best seats in class. And for a car that is 26 years old, look at how beautifully it has kept up its shape. The wheel, the wood, all the materials. Impressive. Pulls very well for its power. The heater works as intended. And the steering here, the steering feel is so planted. You're driving and it feels like the car is just solid, it's planted. I love it. We have an override mode here too somewhere. Not sure how you use them, but this is just so cool. I also like the way that Volvo put the wipers. Such a traditional look. The seat heater works. Definitely warms it up. Good brakes, very sensitive to input, fairly easy to dose. let's get ready for our 0 to 60 test. Again, we may not have the most ideal times because of the weather and the fact that this is a rear-wheel drive, but we shall still try and see what we can do. And you will see that in the next clip. Alright, so let's come to a complete stop. Alright, so reset the Dragy, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oops, getting a little bit of wheel spin in there. Yes. Oof. And we've got 60. So we did 0 to 60 in 11.3 seconds with all the awful wheel spin. And then we did 0 to 62 in 11.96. But we can try one more time and see if I can do slightly better. If I were to do a better start. Now let's come to a full stop. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alrighty. And we did 10.04. We did 10 seconds. As you know, these older cars don't have that kind of traction system as newer cars, so of course they're going to spin their tails a little bit more than newer cars. But it's still fun to try, you just got to be extra careful. Well, I hope you all really enjoyed this test drive. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below about this Volvo, what you think. And make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Until next time.